Alright, what I'm going to do here is make some carrot salad. I'm going to make it pretty basic. I got these baby carrots, and when they start to hang around for a while, they get a little dry. So I'm just going to make a little carrot salad in the food processor. And all I'm going to use is carrots, a little bit of scallions, and some black olives and mayo. And that's pretty much it. It's fast and easy, and I like it. It's good. So I'll chop these up. See if they fit. All right, chop. All right, and then throw in a few olives and a little bit of the scallion. And then I'll add a little, when I add the mayonnaise, I'll add a little bit of pepper and salt, so forth. All right, a little bit of black pepper. Salt. And then mayo. And I hope I got another jar in there, because this one's about out. You could use sour cream or half and half or whatever you like. Looks like I might have to do that. Let me mix this and see where I get. Simple, really simple. There it is. Carrot salad. Let's give it a try. Need a little more mayo. I'm about out. You know, it needs just the tiniest little bit of apple cider vinegar. And a tiny little dash of Tabasco, I think, will be good. Give this a try. Oh, Sriracha might have been good in here too. I think next time I make this, I'm going to try that. Put a little Sriracha in it. Excellent. Done. In the fridge. I'm going to have this later.